Hey YouTube, Mickey. Just finished doing some house chores, and I thought I'd bring out the Mazarin folder knife, made in Italy, stainless steel, 440. And I haven't really taken this out in the field, and I really want to actually. So I'm just going to give it a bit of a test on just batoning this piece of wood. I know it's a folder, but it is very, very strong, and I'm pretty sure I'm not going to damage it in any way by batoning this piece of wood here. So give it a go. Get away, wasp. It's a friggin' wasp hanging around. The blade length isn't ideal, but for batoning, but I'm just interested to see. You know, I'm not doing a big piece of wood here, and I just want to get some small pieces off to start a fire. Get away from me, wasp. So, yeah, alright, it ain't as strong as I thought. There's a nice wobble now in that blade, so that sucks. Yeah, it's a pretty much big wobble on that blade now. Not a big one, but it's a lot of movement. Oh well, there you go. I've tested that, and that ain't gonna work. Looks like this piece of metal here's come out. Yeah, it's not flush anymore. So something's loosened up there. I don't know how that's actually connected, but I might take this apart, this here, and maybe glue it on stronger. If I just squeeze that. Yeah, no, there's still heaps of play there. So, oh well, no, I thought that would do well, but because it is a solid folder knife, but no, it's pretty loose. So that's shit. Anyway, it'll still function very well as a knife, but I know now that I can't rely on batoning with it, which I thought it would be okay. Anyway, cheers.